Hello you guys, I'm Melissa if you're new here. Today we are unboxing this month's IPSY September box, and I also received this as well in the mail. Super excited for this month. It's almost fall. It feels like summer today for me, but I'm still holding on to that summer feeling. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more IPSY unboxings. And without further ado, we're just gonna jump right in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. I haven't been spoiled by any products. I haven't seen any blogs or read anything about what's gonna be in this month, so I'm gonna be completely surprised. Oh my goodness, this is such a fun bag. It reminds me of confetti galore. Look how cute this is. I adore this bag. This was gonna be like my little go-to beauty party bag. This is so fun. So first we have here Hey Honey. I like their products. This is their Show Your Glow Honey Beauty Mask. This is an anti-aging mask. Next we have here this Earth Harbor Marina. So this is actually a serum, and I'm gonna open it up and see the actual packaging inside. And as I was hoping for, it is a glass product. I really love their products. Everything that I've tried from them, I'm a fan of so far. They're really great for the planet, and their packaging is just so cute. I just love it. All right, next we have this Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I like their products, so I'm excited to give this one a try. I don't believe I've tried this one just yet, but I think I have a little mini one that I was saving for my upcoming travels, so I'm excited to give this a try. Definitely gonna need this for the colder months coming in. This is good for dry, parched skin. We also have this kooky professional gel ink eyeliner. This is a waterproof eyeliner. I'm gonna check this out in the water when I do my mermaid parties. But what color is this? This is a metallic copper and matte brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this on my hand for you guys so you can get like a visual of the color. And this is just like a beautiful brown, just like it says, a copper brown. And I think this is gonna go great. It dries really, really fast, so that's gonna be great when you're in a hurry. And last but not least, what we have in here is Benefit the Professional. This is their Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Spray. I've used this for a very, very long time. Such a fan, so yay, gotta love a mini. Now, we're gonna jump right into this IPSY box. Ooh, we got some goodies in here. First we have this Dermalactives Energizing Body Lotion. And now I'm such a fan of body lotions. I'm gonna just give this one a try and let you guys know if there's like a scent to it. This one has like a very clean, like a very spa scent. So that's gonna be nice. All right, next we have this Tarte Cosmetics, such a fan. This is their Man Eater Waterproof Mascara. So I'm excited for these waterproof products because I do a lot of mermaid performing and birthday parties and such like that. So I'm really excited to see how this one reacts underwater. This is the color black, so that's perfect for me. And then it does say it's a 16-hour long wear with no clumping or flaking, so I'm definitely gonna check this one out very soon here. We also have this Keys Soul Care Comforting Tinted Lip Balm. I feel like so far this is a pretty good IPSY box. I mean, they're getting you ready for the colder months. Lip balm, body lotion, and this is in the shade Sheer Bliss Pure Extase. It's definitely a very sheer color. It's literally what it says. It's just a soft pink, subtle color. So it's gonna be really nice on your lips when you just want a little touch of color, but you wanna get your lips moisturized. All right, next we have Danessa Myricks Beauty. This is an Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil, and this is the shade Lilac Quartz. This is gonna be really pretty for Halloween. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and give it a swatch for you guys so we can check out this color. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love the packaging of this. It definitely gives me mermaid vibes. And it's a beautiful, it almost looks iridescent to me. It's like an opalescent pearl look. So this is so stunning. I'm really, really excited about this product. So my camera does not do the justice to show this product off, but let me tell you guys, it is so stunning. It literally looks like it almost glows in the dark, but it has like a really beautiful like glitter shine to it, and it's that really beautiful like lilac purple that you can imagine. So pretty and so excited to try this. All right, my friends, last but certainly not least, we have a Laura Geller product. I've been using Laura Geller for quite a long time, so I'm really excited to see what this eyeshadow palette contains. The packaging already is super cute and florally, very pretty and perfect for fall. So, and I can see from the little sample back here that these colors are gonna be so pretty for fall. This palette does contain 6 matte eyeshadows and 2 highlighters. Oh no, it's actually a little broken. I hate when that happens, but the colors are beautiful. And just let me know in the comments if you'd like me to swatch this palette. I can do so on Instagram or make a whole video about it and try it on. I just want to know what you guys would like to see, but I think this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette, even though it came a little broken. And that's it for this video. Let me know what your favorite product was, if you received your IPSY box this month already as well. And what are your thoughts on this bag? Because I think this is so, so super cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a comment in that comment section and give me a follow here if you would like to see more beauty unboxings or just a little look into my everyday life. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.